This is the National Eid Fairground of Bangladesh and one of the biggest Eid fairgrounds in Dhaka, the capital city of Bangladesh. It is located beside the Supreme Court and near the National Press Club. People are coming out after saying their prayer. This is the day of Eid ul-Fitr, one of the main religious festivals of the Muslims all over the world. People eagerly wait for this day after 1 month of Ramadan, that means fasting. People from nearby areas and remote areas come here to say the prayer. This is the fairground where the Prime Minister of Bangladesh and the President of Bangladesh also say their prayer. After the prayer, people exchange greetings with near and dear ones and their familiar ones. One of the main attractions of this day to give salami, especially to the youngers, and the youngers also eagerly wait to get salami from the elders. I am very happy to perform the salat here. Thanks to all.